Hello student, good morning. As we here in the civics first chapter, we are discussing about the key features of the Indian Constitution. As in the previous video, we have talked about the fundamental rights. Before it, we have talked about the separation of power and many other things. So the fifth, they have given about the secularism. Okay, what they have given in this one, let's have a discussion. At first, let me tell you, India is a secular state. India is a secular country. Secular country mean to say where there isn't any official religion. Mean to say means the country or the state will not promote any particular religion. Okay, all the religions will be treated equally. Mean to say on ground of the religion, the discrimination will not be done. Okay, so what they have given in the secularism, a secular state is one in which the state doesn't officially promote any one religion as the state religion. Mean to say, the state mean to say here the country will not promote any official religion for whole the country. Mean to say all the religions will be treated equally. We will read more about this in the following chapter. Means we will come to know more about the secularism in upcoming chapters. Now you understand the way in which country history often determines the kinds of constitution that a country adopt for itself. So now we got it, means the history means to say whatever the constitution, which sort of the constitution and what of the things we have just implemented in the constitution that has been written in the constitution. So it depended on the past, on the background of a country, as we have felt and we have faced, and our leaders at that time, they have struggled for getting the freedom, and they came to know about the real value of the real value of the dignity, about the equality, about the freedom. So these all the things have been just adopted as well as in the Indian Constitution. The Constitution plays a crucial role in laying out the ideals that we would like all citizens of the country to adhere to the including the representatives that we elect to rule us. Okay, here they have given that constitution, it plays an important role. When it plays the important role that has been given, that laying out the ideals, mean the ideals of the constitution, mean the ideals of the citizens, and we would also like to all citizens of the country to adhere to it, and including the representatives that we elect to rule us. And what we people to say, we all the citizens just elect our representatives and they rule over us. Just like in the game of football, a change of the constitutive rules will affect the game. If there will be some changes in the rule, definitely it will affect the particular sports. Indian constitution has been amended over the years to reflect new concerns of the polities. Mean to say, many can means there is also the provision in the constitution. If any rule is need to be updated according to the time, according to the circumstances, so we can just go for the amendment, we can just go for the updation or changing in the rules which have been laid down in the constitution. Okay, and often a major change in the constitution means a change in the fundamental nature of the country. Mean to say, if any change is being done, so that is also mean to say there is a fundamental nature of mean change in the fundamental nature of the country. If with the time, with the flow of the time, with the flow of the technology, we have to also update ourselves same like that. So if we want to flow with the time, so definitely there are mean to say we have to we need to be update ourselves the same like this. For this one thing, the constitution is also updated. Then we saw this in the case of Nepal and how it needed to adopt a new constitution after it became a democracy. As they have given the example, we have read the example of Nepal, how they demanded for the new constitution and they implemented the democracy over there. Okay, then the different features of the Indian constitution that is outlined above and involve, that is, complicated ideas that are often not easy to grasp. Okay, don't worry too much about this for the moment. In the rest of the book as well as in your higher classes, you will read more about these different features of the Indian Constitution and understand more that is sustainably uh, why what they mean. Here it means to say they have given. So whatever the things, if you are thinking, so what the meaning of these words above the whatever the features we have discussed. So don't worry about it. Mean to say in the rest of the book, mean to say in the higher classes, in ninth, in 10th, in 11th, 12th, okay, in the following chapters as well, we will have the more discussion about these all the things which have been just implemented and which have been just initiated by the government of India as well as which have been implemented in the constitution. Okay, then here something they have given. The constitution also mentions fundamental duties. Fundamental duties, find out these. Mean to say these fundamental duties you may get in your book at the first, in the beginning pages. There will be some fundamental duties of the citizens. Okay, so you may find out them and you may also write down them. Okay, then there are 11 fundamental duties. The same thing has been given here. So in this one, you will come to know, just have a look and just if read out these fundamental duties. 11 fundamental duties have been given over there. So that is means one kind of knowledge for we people, and what are our duties you will come to know. Okay, and if you see the above photo down left side, so something has been given here. The above photo shows various members of the Constituent Assembly signing a copy of the Constitution at the final session on 24th January 1950. The first photo from top shows Prime Minister, okay, as you all know that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, okay, singing. The second photo that is signing, and the second photo they have given here of the Dr. Rajendra Prasad, President of the Constituent Assembly. The last photo shows the following persons from right to left. The different names have been given. You may check these pics. Okay, here P.T. Nehru, they have shown Rajendra Prasad, and these are the different persons who are signing who are in the Constitution. Okay, then after this one, the exercise has been given, and if you are capable, go for it. Otherwise, I also send the these question answers to you, and you'll have to go for it. Okay.